Ever watch a token surge and realize your portfolio's still stuck in last week's allocation? You've got a strategy. You've set your rebalancing. But when markets move fast, your timing doesn't always keep up. It's like showing up to the party just as the music stops. You wish your portfolio could adjust in real time, not just on a timer. On the SageMaster platform, Basket helps you diversify and stay balanced. Now it gets even better with Basket Pro, a powerful upgrade for responsive allocation management. First, threshold rebalancing. Your basket now reacts to real market movement, not just time. Set a drift limit, like 10%, and it auto-adjusts whenever an asset moves too far off target. Say Solana jumps from 25% to 40%. Basket Pro steps in, trims the excess, and restores balance. It's like a self-cleaning closet. Things get out of place. It fixes itself. Customize how it works. Adjust the whole basket or just the asset that moved. Trigger on any drift or growth only. Next, backtest. Want to see how your setup might have performed in past markets? Backtest is your time machine, without the flying car or lightning bolts. Simulate allocations, rules, and fees. See balance changes and trade behavior over time. Whether you prefer time-based, threshold-based, or a mix, Basket Pro helps you stay aligned and in control. Smarter tools, sharper timing. Try Basket Pro today, only on SageMaster.